Welcome this video. Elevate your home decor with thoughtful bathroom design. Introducing the bathroom is often an overlooked look space when it comes to home decor and design. However, it is a room that plays a significant role in our day life. Are it aesthetic and functional aspect should not be underestimated. A well designed bathroom can enhance the overall ambience bath of your home and provide a scene and refresh retreat. We will explore the world of bathroom design and how you can transform this essential space into a have of space and comfort. Understanding the importance of bathroom design before delving into a certified of bathroom design is essential understand when it matters. The bathroom is a place when we start and in in out day it's when we ejaculate our slab and its design can significantly impact your mood and well before. A thoughtful design bathroom can make daily routine more enjoyable and provide a scene of relaxation. Bathroom styles and theme. When it comes to bathroom design, when are numerous style and theme to choose from. Here are a few popular the other maximalist elegant a maximalist bathroom design emphasize clear line, natural color and simplicity. It's an idea choose of those how perfect a free and seen intimate natural oasis. If you love natural, consider a bathroom design inspired by the outdoor, incorporated natural material like stone and wood to create a home oasis in your house. color palette and light. Choose the right color palette is material in bathroom design. Like choose like soft blue, green, and natural can make a small space appear more special and seen. Darker tone can add dream and sophistication. A long bathroom adding night. Consider the lights in your bathroom. Proper lights can enhance the overall ambience and fantastically of the space. Installing lights with the combination of task lights, ambience lights, and decorating fixtures to create a perfect atmosphere. Main interest and upscale. A beautiful design bathroom rejects regular main entrance to keep its a look is bad. But clear line and enhance so are clear rules. They provide more of blowing up. Conclusion. Bathroom design is a vast palette of home decor that should not be overlooked. A well-designed bathroom can elevate the overall aesthetic of your bathroom and enhance your daily routine. Whether you perfect and maximum religious model and natural theme that are continuous